Welcome friends. Today I'll talk about today I'll talk about CPP REST SDK service, which is in C++ web services by Microsoft. Now we can use this CPP REST SDK to parts REST services from the web client, and C++ can work as a backend to handle those services, REST services. So maybe we can receive this get, post, put and delete request, and we can parse it, and we can put it in the database. We can respond back to the client, so everything can be done. So today I will demonstrate the front end and the back end in C++, but front end in PHP and JavaScript. But my main focus is to only talk about today how to receive the post request from the web GUI. So let's see the implementation of CPP REST SDK. So we have HTTP listener, which is listening on the local host and the port 35248. Now we have four requests: get, post, put, delete, and we have four callback functions: handle get, handle post, handle put, and handle delete. This is our listener, where it is running on a while loop, and so this is our functions: handle post, handle get. So we have some header files, CPP REST SDK header files, and then there is a namespace we have. So if you see all this, so now we have this port 35248 and these the four functions. Now go back to let's see, we will compile this, and you see that we will get some REST services from web client like this: table name, employee, this kind of REST services we will receive. Okay, so I'll show you the front end. The front end is this, from where we will send the REST post request from the GUI towards our REST server written in C++. So if you have to compile it, you have to use these link libraries. Like, this is our program name, and you have to link our program with this LP thread, LSSL, crypto, CPP REST, and boost system. So once you do it, you can able to compile the program. You have to install CPP REST SDK simply by sudo apt get install and CPP REST, and then boost, the only two things. Okay, then you will compile it and just run a ./a.out. See, you can see that our program is starting to listen. Now we will add some we will send some requests, post requests from GUI. So we are selecting some entries. So if you see, and if you need the code of the same, I will put it in the I will put it in Git server, GitHub, so you can download from there. So if you see, I've sent the post request, and you can see the records which we received is Gurdeep March for the task. You see this, we have also done some cout. Okay, we have printing in the program. So let's go to the program. So if you go here, you will see that we have a handle post. Okay, in this handle post we are printing this toString of that HTTP request which you receive from the GUI. So we have print this okay, the toString. So it will just print the data, which I will show you here. So here you see that handle post, and the application is JSON data, and the localhost port is 35248. Okay, so this is our port. So if you see this, we are extracting JSON from this request. Now we are requesting the data in the JValue, and from JValue we are retrieving table name, table records, in a string, array, name, month, okay, category, task, efforts, this is okay. Then we are printing those strings in our terminal. So this is mainly we can parse the array of the JSON request and put it in the string. Okay, so this is our JSON request, array request, which we received from the GUI, and we print it. So if you see it, here is our print: name Gurdeep, month March. So we have parsed it in the program, and so we can do different things. Means also we, if in case of an error, we can report the error, reply the error like request.reply to the client. So mainly today's my agenda is only to talk about front end. So means post request. So this is our GUI which I will use later on to means talk about later, put, delete, other methods, and how to reply back, how to insert in database. So this is just the first tutorial. So let's quickly go to our means if you compile it in the background. Now we will do some netstat to see the port. Okay, so here is the port is 35248. So if we run 35248, you will be able to see that's listening on the local host. Okay, so this is the output. So program is running on this host, it will receive all the requests. So it's working like a CPP, means a backend for the our web GUI. So this is our Apache server where we have added some this HTML. Okay, so which is sending request to the our C++ REST server. We are going to PHP where we are sending the post request to the our CPP REST server. So here you see that we are sending request to this URI 35248 where our C++ server is listening. This is a post request. Okay, so this is JSON data we are sending. Okay, so we are receiving the result using file get contents, and we are encoding it and printing this to our front end page. So this is by this we are sending the data. So I'll show you the our JavaScript page as well. If you need those things, you can mention in the comment those data. This is our function send JSON. So here we are retrieving the data from the HTML web page, the result, name, month, category, task, effort. So here we are sending our JSON post request to this PHP, and this is our post request. This is our JSON application. And now if you see here, we are receiving the data from the C++ and or PHP. So here is the error. In case error, we are printing something, and if the data inserted, we will print the data inserted correctly. So currently I have implemented the partial things to demonstrate you, and later on I will do. This is our REST services. So we are creating a REST request and sending it to the C++ server. So that's it.
Thanks for watching.